What is the most memorable or profound spiritual experience you've ever had? Type it out in the comments. This is going to be a really interesting read for so many of us, because often when we read about someone else's spiritual experience, it helps give us permission to step into the unknown ourselves and to have these experiences. I remember reading about Kundalini experiences, which is this feeling of energy that goes up your spine. And I became open to that possibility. And then I had my first experience, and it was life-changing for me. I remember reading about lucid dreaming, and then I had my first experience. Again, life-changing. So what was yours? Let's share it in the comments, and like the comments where people share their most profound spiritual experiences. Now, the second thing I want to ask you is this: were these experiences deliberate, or were they random? Because most people who have these experiences, it is random. It's often hard to bring them back. It's spontaneous, and it's hard to make them replicable. But what if you could? What if you could have a consistency to your spiritual experiences, just like you can choose to show up in the gym every single day? What if you could have a consistency to manifesting, a consistency to intuition, a consistency to feeling energy? And that's what this week is going to be about on Mindvalley. I'm bringing you a really beautiful conversation with Jeffrey Allen, an incredible Japanese-American teacher of energy. Like me, Jeffrey started out as an engineer, and then a whole range of crazy events happened that led him on a completely different path. You will learn about those events, and you will get started with a couple of techniques to make spiritual experiences more replicable in your life in this week's masterclass. This masterclass is a slice of our program, DUALITY, which is one of our best-selling programs on Mindvalley with over 1.4 million enrolled students. Well, we just refreshed DUALITY, we just updated it, and Jeffrey and I wanted to give you some of the ideas free for you to walk away with. The link to the masterclass is in the bio. So 2 things: comment below and share your craziest spiritual experience. And then click the link in the bio, sign up to the masterclass, and let's see how we can make these experiences more replicable so you can turn on inspiration, turn on manifesting, just like you turn on a tap. I'll see you there.